Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be mango pudding made with agar-agar, also known as China grass. The first thing which comes to our mind when we enter summers are mangoes. I mean, who doesn't like mangoes? They are sweet, delicious and yummy to the core. So let's move ahead and see how to make this delicious mango pudding. Don't miss to try this unique recipe at home. I tell you, this is a must try when you have mangoes at your reach. Before diving into the recipe, let's have the intro. So the ingredients are boiled milk 250 ml, condensed milk half tin, puree of 1 large sized mango, agar-agar or China grass 10 grams. You can also use the agar-agar powder. So the first step first, let's soak the China grass in about 1 cup of water for 15 minutes. Make sure you cut the China grass into tiny pieces. Immerse them completely into the water. Heat up a small vessel and add the soaked China grass. Make sure to keep the flame on low. The entire process must be done on a very low flame. Add another half cup of water and allow it to boil. Let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the China grass dissolves completely into the water. As you can see, the China grass has been dissolved. To this, add about 250 ml of milk that has been already boiled. Keep the flame on low and add the milk slowly. Let the both combine well. And now add the condensed milk, half tin. Adjust it according to your taste. So now the next thing to be added is the mango puree. Give it a good mix. Now the mango puree has been added. Use a whisk and mix it thoroughly. It was difficult for me to mix, so I recommend you to use a larger vessel or a bigger pan. So now let's allow it to set in a glass container. Turn the flame off and carefully transfer it. Allow it to come to a room temperature or to cool down on the countertop for 30 minutes and then place it in the refrigerator for another hour. I transferred the remaining to a small glass. You can also serve this as an individual serving if you have a lot of guests. So now the China grass has been resting in the refrigerator for an hour. Let's see if it is perfectly set. Wow, this is exactly what I expected. Run a knife around the sides to help it mold out easily. You can see it's perfect. Invert it on a serving plate just like you do any other pudding. Wow, look at it. It's just amazing and perfect to the core. It's glossy from outside. When mangoes are perfectly induced into the China grass, it becomes a very tasty and delicious pudding. So let's go ahead and cut it and see if it has been perfect from inside as well. It is a win-win recipe for me. You can see how soft it is. The knife is just sliding into the pudding. What better would you want or wish for a mango dessert? You can call it silky soft or silky smooth. Don't miss to try this recipe for your family at home. Enjoy this as it is. Let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. Don't forget to leave a like. For more such unique content, subscribe to Azeeba's Cuisine. Until then, it's signing out here from Azeeba's Cuisine. Remember to stay home and stay safe.